In this part of the series, we're going to learn how to create a grabbable sequence. Grabbable sequences are animations that we can control in VR using the grab function. Let's first download the model that we will be using during the tutorial. Go to simlab.soft.com, then to 3D Products, and from the SimLab 3D Composer menu, click on Tutorials. Now select the training series, then the interactive VR experience. Download the file named Cabinet Model. Go to the download location and extract the zip file. In SimLab Composer, from the File menu, select Import. Select the sim file you extracted and click Open. In the Import dialog, make sure that the Place in View option is disabled to maintain the object's original location. Once the cabinet is imported, click on the Zoom to Object icon or press Ctrl and J on the keyboard to zoom in on the selected model. Switch to the Animation tab and move the time slider to frame 60. Now select the door in assembly and rotate it as if it was open. Select the created keyframes and click on Create Animation Sequence. Type in a name for the sequence and click OK. Select the second door's assembly and open it in the opposing direction to the first door. Select the created keyframes and create an animation sequence for the second door. We are now ready to set up the grabbable sequence. Select the door in assembly and from the Interactions menu, select Make Grabbable Sequence. Click on the check mark to confirm the selection, then click on the door and animation sequence to select it, and again on the check mark to confirm the selected sequence. Leave the grab helper's value at 1 since it usually suits the scale of the object, then click on the check mark to finish the creation process. Follow the same steps to attach the second animation sequence to door 2 as a grabbable sequence. From the SimLab VR Viewer menu, select Show in Viewer to run the VR experience. Press H on the keyboard if you're in desktop mode to reveal the grabbing hand. Use the mouse wheel to extend the reach of the grabbing hand or to retract it. Once the hand intersects with the grabbable object, hold left-click to grab it and move the mouse to move it. If you're in VR mode, reach out with the controller to the grabbable object, and once they intersect, hold the grab button to move it.